New Zealand earthquake, 2 dead following powerful tremor. 2 people have died after a powerful magnitude 7.8 earthquake struck New Zealand's South Island. New Zealand earthquake, evacuations as tsunami heads for East Coast. Prime Minister John Key said further details were not yet known. The US Geological Survey said it hit just after midnight, 11:02 GMT on Sunday, some 95 kilometers, 59 miles, from Christchurch. A tsunami arrived about 2 hours later. Officials warned everyone along the eastern coast to head inland or for higher ground. Terrifying. A gauge at Kaikoura, 181 kilometers, 112 miles, north of Christchurch, measured a wave of 2.5 meters, 8 feet 2 inches, in the early hours of the morning, according to weatherwatch.co.nz. At one point, the Ministry of Civil Defence suggested tsunami waves as tall as 5 meters could hit the eastern coast. The warning was scaled back to waves of 3 meters in certain areas, including the Chatham Islands, an archipelago 423 miles, 680 kilometers, southeast of the mainland.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube, Facebook and Twitter. You can visit us on www.therealthingmean.webs.com.